Hey everyone, just wanted to talk a little bit today about goal setting and how important it is to set goals. There's only a very small percentage of people that actually have clearly defined written goals. And I learned yesterday that 5% of the US population controls 43% of the wealth. Now that's a tiny group that controls almost half the money in our country. Now, I am 100% sure that that 5% of people have clearly defined written goals. Now, I talk to people a lot about goal setting, and some of the common mistakes that I see is people set goals that are too low. They're too easy to achieve. So that doesn't really, cause you to grow. And the other common mistake that I see is that people set goals that they think they should set instead of setting goals that really excite them and really something that they desire, a real burning desire to accomplish this goal. So I want to ask those of you who do not have clearly defined written goals would you get on an airplane that you didn't know what the destination was for that plane? If you didn't know where it was going, would you get on that plane? So what you're doing really is, if you don't have clearly defined goals, is you're going through this journey called life without a destination. And that's just a shame. And I would love to help you to clearly define your goals, and not just define and set goals, but the most important thing is to actually achieve them. So thank you very much and have a great day.